How you all doing? Happy New Year, everyone. Right, I'm gonna just do a quick one to welcome in the new year. As you can see in the background there, look, we're doing a little bit of work on that breakout for my mate Ben. Now, unfortunately, we've had to break out the lathe and the fucking milling machine, and I'll show you why. Hold on a sec. Indicators to these, they're lovely. Look, I've already done the other side. Oh, it's nice in there. Let's see if I give you a quick demonstration. You have to excuse the bad camera work. There you go, and the other side's the same. But I want to make a little spacer that you probably can't even see that lives in there. The other side's on, oh, something's fucking flashing. Right, little stainless spacer. And I thought that was it for the lathe, but as part of the course, you see I put a photo up on my socials. These little brass nipples that go on the cable ends. Yeah? Fucking hell, so I lost one. I'm stripping it down, as you do, and I'm thinking, take them off there because you'll lose one. And I didn't bother and I lost one, and it ceased to exist. I've been on my hands and knees, looking everywhere for it, all around here. I felt it go, it's bounced off my boot and then it's disappeared. So I've come over to my lathe to make one. And I thought I'd show you the lathe. You've seen it in the background. I've had loads of people ask about it. This is at least, I'm guessing, 80 years old. The old Atlas. If I can find some marks to show you. Here we go, Atlas. This is a 10F because it's got a 10-inch swing over the bed, and it's got power feed on both the cross slide and the saddle. See, I'm not a proper engineer, I'm a metal worker, so excuse me if my terms are off. But we've got two lots of power feed there for cutting screw threads and general cutting. All the speeds are in there, look, all the gears. Now, I always considered this the dark arts. Look at this health and safety in the workshop. Look at that. And I tried to work out what to do and took these off and realised I've not got the gears I need to do what I want, so I've left that alone. And originally, see these pulleys? This pulley, these two, would have gone up to the roof. There'd have been a massive, big fuck-off steam engine somewhere, or even a diesel later on, driving a machine shop, and then once you've had a motor on, there'd have been a belt drive that dropped down from the ceiling. So there you go. And I've been making those little nipples, look, out of this little bit of, there it is, little bit of brass bar. Did a little bit of parting off, then over to the milling machine where we drilled them out, and then over to the real low-tech vise where we cut the slots in them with the axle that I've not put away. So hold on, let's put that away. So hold on, bear with. So yeah, there you go. Alright, that's the old lathe, look. Saved me bacon this morning. Like I said, I had to make that little spacer, but I didn't know I'd end up making one of the brass nipples and then fucking two, because I dropped the one. I don't know where it's gone. It ceased to exist. There's two of them have ceased to exist. But I've been bailed out by the old Atlas 10F, still going strong, 80 years old, definitely won the war. Have a great one, everyone. I'll see you again soon.